Hello everybody, I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm here to talk about something new again. It feels like a very long time since I've sat on this sofa and we've had a little chat, so I think there should definitely be a tea in the chat in the offing very soon, but not today. Today is to let you know about an exciting new little pattern that we have brought to the collection, and also an exciting new big masterclass that has jumped onto Stitch School as well. So the pattern that I'm introducing today is an add-on pattern. So if you don't know about our add-ons, they are extras that we develop later in the life of a pattern to give them a bit of some new love, some different variations, some new styles. And today it is the turn of the Nicole dress. So Nicole is a really classic. I'd just say she is the quintessential shirt dress. She comes with long sleeves with a cuff and short sleeves with a turn up. You've got an A-line skirt that started in the back, or you've got a gathered skirt with a bit of volume, and they all have this two-darted bodice. And we are now introducing the Nicole add-on pack to make it sleeveless. And you might think that's just taking the sleeves off, and you'd be wrong, because the difference between a sleeved and a sleeve bodice is kind of subtle, but I genuinely think it's one of the hardest things to do yourself. If you've got a sleeved pattern and you're trying to make it sleeveless, it is so fiddly and tricky to get right. And I had been dreaming of a dress that I used to own maybe 10 or 12 years ago, a sleeveless chambray shirt dress that I just wore to death. And I loved it so much. And I was looking at Nicole thinking, that can become this dress. That's what we can do. And we wanted to give Nicole this new lease of life, and also a bit more year-round wear as well, obviously with sleeves, with the shorter sleeves. She's okay in summer, but in the heat we've been having, sleeveless is really, really helpful. So we've decided to release the Nicole add-on pack, which makes the Nicole dress into a lovely, beautiful sleeveless shirt dress. Perfect for the warm weather, but also I'm really looking forward to wearing this in sort of transitional autumn weather with cardigans and jumpers over the top. I love it when you can wear something with a jumper over the top and you don't have loads of stuff on your arms, so it doesn't get really bulky. It's just sort of a nice way to kind of be both cool and warm at the same time, if that makes sense. So yeah, she's really, really going to have legs in your wardrobe. To sew up Nicole as a sleeveless dress, you do need the original Nicole dress pattern. It is aimed at intermediate sewers. Obviously, it is a shirt dress. It has a lot of shirty features and little things that maybe take a little bit more time or a little bit more precise sewing. But the joy is, if you are maybe a confident beginner sewer and you want to get onto the shirt dress train, that we have a brand new Stitch School Masterclass, the ultimate guide to sewing and fitting shirt dresses. And this is all about Nicole and all about getting your most gorgeous favourite shirt dress into your wardrobe. So in the class, I run through every single step of sewing every single version of Nicole. There's also fitting tips. There's one thing I forgot is that we've also updated the original Nicole and the add-on to include a mini version, because I had made a mini skirt Nicole last winter, I think, and I love it so much. So we've included that, because what I was going to do was run through the versions. Because now you can go long sleeve, short sleeve, sleeveless, A-line skirt, gathered skirt, A-line mini skirt, gathered mini skirt, and I think the combinations of all of those make 12 different dresses. So with the patterns or with the class, I will walk you through every single version you can possibly make for Nicole, and that's all the fiddly steps: collar stand. If you're doing the long sleeve, you've got a loved beautiful cuff binding, and you've got a million darts to sew. But I think what I would say, when I was developing this class, I realised just how much every single thing you do in a shirt dress can be utilised in other patterns. There are so many transferable skills in this class, and it's really going to set you up for both sewing and alterations wise, for understanding and being able to up your sewing game on other patterns as well. So it's a really worthwhile class. So because it's going on Stitch School, what that means is that all Stitch School Premium subscribers instantly, for free, have access now to Nicole and the Nicole add-on. If you're a Stitch School Premium subscriber, just head to your account. It's sat there waiting for you. If you subscribe to Stitch School Premium now, you will also get them for free as part of your subscription. I think this brings the number of PDF patterns in Stitch School up to 50, which is pretty incredible. So that's £15 a month, or it's £150 for a year, which works out, I think it's about 12 or £12.50 a month. So for that amount of patterns alone, it's pretty good. But you also get over 250 online classes, tutorials, workshops, guided sew-alongs, chats, so much stuff on there. So it really honestly is really good value for money. And we hope that you love the new edition of having Nicole as part of the gang too. So a quick recap for Nicole fabrics you want to woven. Other than that, she's really versatile. This is another thing I talk about in the class, like, you could make so many different versions of Nicole just based on fabric alone. I've gone for chambray. I've also made a cotton poplin version. I've got a cotton voile version and a cotton lawn version. I'm thinking going into winter, I want to edge into a heavier weight and needle cord. I've definitely seen needle cord versions sewn up. You can go softer, you can go viscose, you can go crepes. If you're just starting out and don't want to spend loads of money on fabric, it'll work so well in a polyester crepe. Like, there is no end to the amount of fabrics you can use, as long as they're woven, for Nicole, and it can really change the vibe of the dress. As the Nicole dress has been out there for a little while, have a look on Instagram with the hashtag SOI Nicole dress for some versions, and you will see our new sleeveless versions popping up too, and that of our lovely pattern insiders as well. I have to say it was really nice to send this pattern off to the pattern insiders, and they definitely got the brief and the excitement for how Nicole could be taken that one step further, which is lovely to see, and I hope the same comes from you guys as well. We do have some lovely kits, of course. Just because of the weather at the moment, we are doing sleeveless kits for Nicole, and you'll find those on our website. We've got 2 gorgeous cotton lawns to sew up, one of which actually is the same fabric that we used for Chloe's original sample a few years ago. So you can see how that looks as Nicole as is, which is obviously a really great opportunity. But yes, choose your own wovens or choose our kits with cotton lawn. Get the Nicole either into your basket or sign up to Stitch School to get it for free, along with so much other stuff. It really is such a gorgeous make. I have to say, with the timing right now, you might be watching this later, but with the timing right now, get your stuff in. Have some Nicole sewing time on the bank holiday weekend. What a lovely plan. I don't think it's going to be gorgeous in the UK on the bank holiday weekend, so I think what I am doing that bank holiday weekend is putting some days away to sew, and I hope you are too. So anyway, I really hope that you love the new Nicole add-on pack. Obviously, if you've already got the Nicole pattern, then you can just grab the add-on and to get the new pattern pieces with the new drafting in and the new instructions as well, just for those little extra steps. But I really do hope that you love the Nicole add-on pack as much as I do, and it brings you a dress of joy like mine is here. I really cannot wait to see your versions. I'll see you soon. Bye.